Hello everyone. This here is an Incase case I just bought a little bit ago. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions. So it's Incase Perforated Snap Case for the 3G, 3GS. Okay. Comes with a little stand. Alright, so not much to it. It's a basic protection. It's lightweight. It's soft. It feels like the Incase slider. It costs $30 at the Apple Store. And yeah. Okay. So as you can see, there's not much to it. It's just a basic case. It's pretty good plastic. Soft. The ports will be completely open. Spot for the camera. Hold on. Here's my phone. That's the bad thing about this case. It's kind of hard to take off. Right now I'm using this Incipio something. I don't know. I like it. So here's my phone. Let's see. There. See, it provides minimal protection. All the ports are open, the speaker hole and everything. 3.5mm headphone jack. You can take out the SIM card if you wish without taking out the case. Lock button. Right here, I don't know if you could tell, compared to right here more in the middle, it seems a little loose. Well, like, not loose. Kind of like, I don't know, has some space. But my phone feels less bulky than when I had this case on. A little lighter. As you can see, the case is very thin. And yeah. Looks like if you put it face down, not much protection for the screen. But it looks to be a good case. And then inside also comes with the stand. Say the Incase logo right there, and on that side. Yeah. So I'll probably use this for like, I'd say a week, and I'll put a review later on. Thanks for watching.